Welcome to the last cask. It's David Mason and we're doing the next whiskey review on this absolutely fantastic Glen Scotia Campbelltown Malts Festival 2020. But before we go into that, I'd just like to say a huge thank you to all those that have subscribed to my channel. Please continue to do so for those that haven't, but we're way over 100 and moving on to the 200 mark, so it's really appreciated. Thank you again. Right, onto the whiskey. Important stuff. Glen Scotia, yeah, single malt Scotch whiskey, of course. This one is it's peated, but its ppm, its peat measurement, is around about 15, where something like a Lagavulin or a Laphroaig would be around about 50-55. So it's subtle. Now this has been finished in a tawny port cask. So without further ado, let's see what it says on the box. This peated Glen Scotia single malt was matured in a mixture of American oak hogsheads, medium char American oak barrels, and first fill bourbon barrels, delivering well-balanced peat smoke with fruit, warming spice, demonstrating the character of Glen Scotia distillery. These casks are then vatted together and finished in tawny port, for 6 months. Bringing notes of blackberry, blackcurrant, raspberry that complements the peat smoke and distillery character. Wow. It's natural colour, non-chill filtered. And it's coming in at 52.8 ABV. This is a limited edition box. I think the previous year they did a rum cask. Obviously we're going to move on to this one in the tawny port finish cask. So without further ado, let's have a look at what's inside the bottle. It's a gentle waft of smoke there. Very subtle. There you go. Okay, so viscosity. It's got this really nice deep sort of golden, and it's got a slight pink hue from the tawny port oak cask. Yeah, quite nice and oily on the nose. There's lots of fruits. Sort of bramble, blackberries. There's that gentle waft of smoke in the background. It's really, really nice. That's absolutely delightful. Let's get on the palate. Oh, wow. And I took that at 52%. But you know, that's really good. Immediately you've got this sweetness, and then it goes sour and fruity, warming, mild spices rushing around my mouth. It's got slight saltiness just in the background there now, and that beautiful waft of peat and smoke is swirling around, but it's so subtle and well balanced. The mouthfeel, you've got this really sweet, fruity whiskey, and then you get this lovely sour and then salty, warm, smoky wafts going over your palate. And it's got a beautiful, dry, very mild peated finish, which delivers that subtle, sweet fullness of this dram. I'm going to put a little bit of water in now. Not too much. Let's see if that opens it up a little bit more. Got those nice oranges, sweet apricots, black currants, beautiful soft subtle oak. That's that bourbon cask, and the tawny port. Beautiful marriage. Well, that is beautiful. Go and find a bottle. Trust me, this is an absolute treasure from Glen Scotia. Campbelltown, and if you don't know where Campbelltown is, ladies and gents, the Isle of Arran settles right in the arm of the peninsula that comes down on the west side of Scotland, and you've also got the Springbank distillery there as well. But the Glen Scotia old distillery, 1832. So yes, another classic Scottish Campbelltown, not Highland, not Speyside, not Islay, a Campbelltown single malt Scotch whisky. Slancha.